In Inmoconnect, agencies can set commissions for the properties they list. In this video, we will show you how to set and manage commissions for agencies. In the left-hand menu, you go to Property Listing and click on it. The property listing page will open and you go to Edit Property. A new page will open and you scroll down to Property Commission. You will see Property Commission. You can either select Fixed Amount to set a fixed amount and percentage. Above the Property Commission, you can set the commission for affiliates. Below it, you can set how it's divided between the listing agent and the selling agent. These commissions need to be set before you can collaborate. When you made the changes, you scroll down and press the bright orange button to update.